Hello, welcome to Body Tips. Today we are going to learn about how to reduce kidney stones naturally at home. If you're not yet subscribed, then subscribe now. Introduction. Kidney stones can be a painful condition that affects many individuals. While medical intervention is crucial, there are also natural remedies you can try at home to support the treatment process. In this article, we will explore some beautiful content about how to reduce kidney stones naturally using readily available ingredients and lifestyle changes. However, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional before attempting any new remedies. Stay hydrated. One of the most important steps to prevent and reduce kidney stones is to maintain proper hydration. Drinking an adequate amount of water throughout the day helps flush out toxins and keeps urine diluted, reducing the chances of stone formation. Lemon juice. Lemon juice is known to increase citrate levels in the urine, which helps prevent the formation of certain types of kidney stones. Squeeze the juice of half a lemon into a glass of warm water and consume it on an empty stomach in the morning. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar contains acetic acid, which has been suggested to help dissolve kidney stones and alleviate discomfort. Mix 2 tablespoons of raw and unfiltered apple cider vinegar with water and consume it once or twice a day.
Remember to rinse your mouth with water afterwards to protect your teeth.
Dietary changes. Making certain dietary modifications can play a significant role in reducing the risk of kidney stones. Avoid excessive consumption of oxalate-rich foods such as spinach, rhubarb, beets, and chocolate. Limit sodium intake, as high sodium levels can contribute to stone formation. Instead, focus on a balanced diet that includes plenty of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Herbal teas. Certain herbal teas have been traditionally used to promote kidney health. Nettle leaf tea is believed to possess diuretic properties and may aid in flushing out kidney stones. Dandelion root tea and marshmallow root tea are also considered beneficial in supporting kidney function. Enjoy these herbal teas in moderation and consult with an herbalist if needed. Moderate calcium intake. While it may seem counterintuitive, consuming an adequate amount of calcium is essential for preventing kidney stone formation. Calcium binds with oxalate in the intestine, reducing the amount of oxalate absorbed by the body. However, it's important to obtain calcium from dietary sources like dairy products and leafy greens rather than supplements. Physical activity. Regular exercise and physical activity can contribute to overall well-being, including kidney health. Engaging in moderate intensity exercises can help improve blood circulation, promote urine flow, and reduce the risk of kidney stone formation. Consult with a healthcare professional to determine suitable exercises for your specific situation. Conclusion. While natural remedies can complement medical treatment for kidney stones, it's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional to receive an accurate diagnosis and personalized guidance. These beautiful natural remedies, combined with a healthy lifestyle,